because it's a Merry Christmas. Open it, and I bet there's one tape because I'm tired of taking the lots of tape. This is Gingerbread TownHouse. So let's get out. Comes with everything they have. So they have some stuff like little tree candies, like some balls, and we got like some ball bits, but they're candies, and we got some sours, and we got some little peppermints. I've been always wanting to open this gingerbread man box because I love to make gingerbread man houses, but my mommy didn't let me until it's Christmas. So let's start opening. Okay, first I need it. Ooh, there's candies. Some sour candies and the icing fondant. Decorating fondant. So we got, this is the instructions, and we got, this one's really big. Stir. It's the crayons, and they added icing for us. The house is already ready.
Okay. All right. What else do you have in there?
We got plastics for the icing, and this is for the icing when you squeeze it. And we got the peppermint candies, and we got the tree kind of candies, and we got this kind of sour candies, and we got these little balls in one candy box. Nothing else. It's empty. We're putting the icing in the warm water. Wait for 5 minutes. Let's do these ones. I know how to do scissors. One more candy. Going to snip it. It's ready. Set the house. Massage the icing just like I massage my mommy and my daddy. It's more softer than I thought.
You know, it's become softer because of the warm water.
Yeah, it's soft. Is that good? Yeah. For this icing, I'm going to put the icing in here. So I have to open it. Add to it a scissor. It's white. We're putting it in. I think I'm doing good.
Good job.
This part that I can taste. It got on my thumb. Good. This is good. So
All right.
pull it out together. And so this is the fondant, and it's green like grass. Guys, the fondant and the roller, this thingy, they both are green. So it's I'm cutting the fondant. I'm squeezing the icing. So I'm putting on these sour candies.
And one more.
Okay. This color. Purple.
All right. Looks good.
Let's do this. The door.
All right. You're gonna make what?
A door.
Window.
You do the window.
There. Okay. Here.
For the window. Okay. Pink, purple, pink, purple, purple, pink, and orange.
Sister wants to help.
Ah,
Good job.
thank you.
Yay.
Just let it. Mine, just let it be.
Is sister helping?
Yeah.
There you
She
go.
loves helping me. Doorbell.
Doorbell?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the doorbell? Let's put the doorbell here.
Okay.
Doorbell here.
There. All right. So what are you making so far?
I'm making
The Christmas light?
the Christmas tree.
All right. Good job, Brianna.
Dude.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, those look so pretty. Ah.
Ah.
Dude.
Okay. You want to put some
I'm gonna put these candies here. This is going to be a candy house where the witch goes. Hee hee hee.
uh-huh.
We're gonna do a pattern.
You guys have fun?
Yeah.
How about Brianna? You had fun?
Yeah. I wish we could eat it when the Christmas ends.
Yeah.
Yay. Good.
Was that grass?
Yeah, green. Let's take apart.
Okay, tell me what's going on now.
I'm putting some more grass. These on.
You got a door.
Yeah.
Looking good.
Thank you.
You have fun?
Yeah.
The gingerbread house.
Wait, I had to. Because we have no more room. Guys, don't forget to subscribe me. Bye. Thank you for watching.